The shoebill is solitary in nature. Even when paired with another, the birds like their space and will feed at opposite ends of the territory. But what really gives the shoebill a leg up is its big, bulbous bill, which serves many purposes. Given its sharp-edged beak, huge bill, and wide gape, the shoebill can hunt large prey, often targeting prey bigger than is taken by other large wading birds. The big beak is sometimes used to dig into pond bottom mud to extract lungfish from their burrows. Shoebill storks are usually silent, but will often participate in bill clattering, which is a behavior characteristic of true storks. Adults will often do this when greeting each other at the nest, but young shoebills also perform the bill clatter. Adults will also make a whining or mooing noise, and young will make a hiccuping noise, especially when begging for food. The principal senses used during hunting are vision and hearing. In order to facilitate binocular vision, shoebill storks hold their heads and bills vertically downward against their breast. How does a shoebill reproduce? Shoebills produce sexually. These storks form monogamous pairs for breeding. They are solitary breeders and have territories measuring approximately 3 square kilometers. In the breeding season, these birds are very territorial and will defend the nest against any predators or competitors. The female normally lays 2 eggs and incubates them for about 30 days before they hatch. The eggs hatch a few days apart, and the youngest sibling usually does not survive. At about 105 days old, the chick will begin to fly, and they will fully be independent in another 30 days or so. Both parents actively brood, shade, guard, and feed their nestling, though the females are perhaps slightly more attentive. Food items are regurgitated whole from the gullet straight into the bill of the young. Shoebills rarely raise more than one chick, but will hatch more. The shoebill flies with its neck retracted and its wings are held flat while soaring. Its flapping rate at an estimated 150 flaps per minute is one of the slowest of any bird, with an exception of the larger stork species. The pattern is alternating flapping and gliding cycles of approximately 7 seconds each, putting its gliding distance somewhere between the larger storks and the Andean condor. When flushed, shoebills usually try to fly no more than 100 to 500 meters. Long flights of the shoebills are rare, and only a few flights beyond this minimum foraging distance of 20 meters have been recorded. At close range, it can be easily identified by its unique features. In flight, if its unique bill cannot be seen, the shoebill's silhouette resembles that of a stork or condor, but its feathers are distinctive medium blue-gray. Also unusual, its tail is the same color as its wings. Under poor viewing conditions, its size and wingspan can distinguish it from other birds in its habitat. Its legs, roughly the length of a stork's, extend straight back far past its tail when in flight. The wing to tail size cannot be used for identification. It is similar to those of several other birds. One fun fact to mention is that shoebills poop on themselves. Yes, you heard that right. These birds literally poop on themselves. These birds practice something known as urohydrosis, the effective, if revolting, habit of defecating on their legs to lower their body temperature. In fact, this characteristic confused many taxonomists. In the past, some felt that the shoebill's habit placed it within the family of true storks, since all true storks also use their own droppings to cool off. Shoebills are worth thousands of dollars on the black market. This is due to the fact that shoebills rarely breed in captivity. In the last 100 years at least, only 2 chicks have hatched. In today's zoos, all shoebills were either born there or were illegally collected from the wild. Unfortunately, their scarcity and mystique have also made shoebills a sought-after bird for poachers in the illegal wildlife trade. According to Audubon magazine, private collectors in Dubai and Saudi Arabia are willing to pay $10,000 or more for a live shoebill.